more program. We have with us Vishwa Haridasa Seva Mandali. We invite all artists from Vishwa Haridasa Seva Mandali to render one bhajan seva for the pleasure of their lordship Shri Shri Krishna Rukmini Satyabhama before we enter the Vaikuntha Dwara. Invoking the blessings of our spiritual master Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, we request the artists to kindly begin their transcendental offering. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
May I request everyone to give Vishwa Haridas Seva Mandali a big round of applause, please. We thank the entire team of Vishwa Haridas Seva Mandali for their melodious devotional rendition for the pleasure of Sri Sri Krishna Rukmini Satyabhama. We now request the artists to please come one by one and offer flowers to Sri Krishna Rukmini and Satyabhama. I also request His Grace Suvyakta Narasimha Prabhu to please come and hand over the temple honors for the performers. I first invite their Guru, Mrs. Bhuvaneshwari Ramesh, to please come forward, offer flowers to Sri Sri Krishna Rukmini Satyabhama and collect Bahumana from Suvyakta Narasimha Prabhu. I request all the devotees to kindly applaud as the devotees come forward and collect their Bahumana. Next, I would like to invite team coordinator Srimati R. Shanti Sarvottaman to please come forward, offer flowers and collect Bahumana from Suvyakta Narasimha Prabhu. Next, I invite Miss K.P. Aditi to please come forward and offer flowers to Krishna Rukmini Satyabhama. I next invite Shri Miss R.D. Ramya Priya to please come forward and offer flowers to Krishna Rukmini Satyabhama. I invite Miss Niveda Harish to please, Miss Aarti S. All of you kindly please give a good round of applause for all the artists. Miss Madhurima R. and Miss Shubhashri SL. I also invite Sri R.S. Advait, who has accompanied on the keyboard, and Sri Anirudh S., who has accompanied on the mridanga. So thank you once again to all the artists for their wonderful rendition. We request the artists to also be seated with the other devotees as we proceed towards the next event.
Jai Shri Krishna Rukmini Satyabhama.